I ain't made it yet, but they let them bows.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. Look, I know it's been a little bit, and for that I apologize. But as you can hear in my voice, my sinuses, everything, I've been sick, yo. Straight up sick with the flu. At first, I thought it was COVID, right? I thought I literally had COVID. I had chills, I was shaking constantly, I was always cold, my fever was 103.9. It was some scary stuff, bro. Like, straight up, this flu this season feels like it's just COVID, you know? And who knows? I mean, I didn't test positive for COVID, but I did test positive for the flu. So I don't know, maybe it could be both. Who really knows at this point? But anyways, I'm on my 5th day and I'm basically just getting over it. I should be good tomorrow on my 6th day. I know, right? 6 days. But yeah, all right, y'all. How is everybody doing? Before we start, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. I missed you guys. And today in the garage, right? In the garage here, there's the Type R. Yes, sir. And we got some new mods to unbox today. All right. I'm going to unbox the RV6 downpipe, which is ceramic coated. Yes, it is catted. That's going to be the first thing. Second thing will be the Mishimoto radiator coolant hoses, and those are actually in red. I'm going to unbox those as well. Then I do have now the Rampage 3.5 MAF. So that MAF housing, we're going to unbox that. That's red as well. And I have an underglow kit, which is not here yet. It should be here by Saturday, so I might do another video on that. But yeah, whoever thought underglow would be coming back, right? But apparently it really is. Like, everybody on the scene is now doing underglow with the Type Rs, with the 350s, the 370s, the RX-7s. They're all coming back. S2000s, you know, I've seen them all, especially in AZ. It's really coming back. So I'm not usually the bandwagoner type, y'all, but I decided to jump on this one. So yeah, with all that being said, let's get this video started. Much love, guys. Welcome back. All right. So before we start this video, I do want to show you guys something really cool. It is seriously a big major accomplishment to me, and I want to share it with you guys. So check this out. That's right, bro. There it is. The title of my 2021 Honda Civic Type R. Right there, from the motor vehicle division. Right? Open it up so you guys can see more. There it is. (12/22/20) was the issue date. New date 12/18/21. Crazy. All right, so all right, guys, that's done. Let me get the first box over here, and I'll be right back. Just give me a moment. Much love. All right, guys. So first thing I'm going to show you is the Mishimoto coolant radiator hoses. Red. Right. Okay. And it comes with, of course, the hardware. This is right here. There we go. Alright, those are the easy, simple install Mishimoto radiator hose. Alright, the second one I want to show you guys. Hopefully this will work out, but this is a JDM Type R grill emblem for my Type R, and it's for the Ballad Sports grill. Not specifically for it, but let's hope this works out. I'll try that in a little bit. Okay. Then we have from Rampage, if I can show you guys this. Second here. Right, Rampage 3.5 race math. There it is. There's the housing. It's in red. Yes. And let's show the big part. What we all been waiting for a very long time, right? At least I have. Like, I think it was 10 weeks, right? Here it is, guys. Yep, that's it. Finally, fully ceramic coated RV6 3-inch downpipe. Catted, of course. There's the bung. Right? This is gonna be amazing. I think the car is gonna sound, it's gonna spool harder, it's gonna perform better. You know, of course it's gonna have sound, right? But what I'm saying is it's gonna have just a lot more get up and go type of power. Like, honestly, with this Pro Tune coming up, I should be around 405, 410 wheel horsepower with the Stage 2 Fariable Pro Tune. So we're gonna see what happens with that, but those numbers are pretty realistic with the RV6 downpipe, front pipe, HKS exhaust, you know, the intake, the HKS front mount intercooler, PRL charge pipes, the list goes on, right? So I imagine this is going to make sure those numbers come alive. We'll see, because that dyno is coming up soon. All right, so that was for the downpipe. Let me show you guys the hardware for it. Get it out of here. Oops. Okay. All right. So here's the gasket, right? This is the bung for Accord only. It says it right there. For the Accord only. So obviously we're not going to use that. Some hardware. Studs, bolts. Magnet. RV6. Right. Okay. Then, of course, we give you more goodies. RV6, which I already have one. License plate. Got another one with the front pipe, which is right up here. It's just hanging right there. Okay. So, yep, that's that. That's RV6. I got one more here to show you guys. And this is another big one. We'll put all this away in a bit. I just want to keep the video rolling here. Alright, next one is from a company called V-Land. I'm sure you guys heard of this company before. But these are my brand new headlights. VLAN headlights. Right? You know what? Let me it's not, camera's not doing it justice. Let me get these both out real quick and I'll show you guys close up. Alright. Alright, guys. Coming back behind the camera here. So, what do we have here, right? This is VLAN right here. Put the light on so you guys can see the detail of them. This does have the blue startup sequence. So, that means that the blue right here in this strip, I think it's this little strip right here, it starts up with a blue sequence, then fades back to an LED. So that's really cool. They are sequential turn signals, and yeah, they're just awesome lights. They're very high quality, well built, definitely worth 430 bucks, whatever I paid for them. So yeah, well, that's that part. So what do you guys think? What's your favorite? Put it in the comments. You like the RV6 downpipe, the VLAN headlights, all that's coming up. The radiator hoses. I got a Pro Tune coming up. I told you, it's a lot. But yeah, love this car. I love everything about it, man. You guys have any questions? Feel free to put it in the comments. And more videos will come up soon. Just got to have the right content to put a video out. So I've been waiting forever for all this. So RV6, the headlights, the radiator hoses, the MAF housing took a while, you know. Thanks Rampage for that. Thank you RV6. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash that like button. This is until next time. It's Skylyfe Projects. Hopefully next video I'll feel a lot better. My head won't be so, you know, fogged up. But we back, guys. Love y'all. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time.
Team, only things we talk about. Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win. Posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the ones.